If you are going back home to your home country, read this before you book the flight. They don't see you as family anymore. They see you as money. Coming back home isn't always sweet. Let me tell you something that a lot of people are too scared to admit. Even though you were born there, once you leave and come back, you are not one of them anymore. They don't see you as a person. They see you as a walking ATM, an opportunity, a target. So here's how to protect yourself. 1. Don't publicize your trip. No tell nobody. Move in silence. The less people know, the better. 2. Get your own ride. Don't let anyone pick you up at the airport. Rent a car or hire from a verified car service. 3. Stay at a resort or hotel. Stop crashing at your auntie house. Visit them during the day. Sleep somewhere safe. 4. Limit how much you go out. You don't need to be seen at every party or on every corner. Keep a low profile. 5. Avoid driving at night. Don't test fate. People watching every move. This isn't to scare you. Some of you all have amazing family, but some people only smile when they see $sign. Stay alert, stay smart, stay alive. Safe travels.